Well, good afternoon, YouTube. AJ Shaver from Shaver Sales here. And today we're going to go over to the shop and meet up with a hotshot driver. The Northern Logger EXPO in Essex Junction, Vermont ended yesterday. So we purchased a SplitForce SF9 TR. It's a black one if you were up at the show. And that is going directly to Michigan, but it's stopping here first for one of two reasons. First being the customer also bought a pallet of log lift bags and one of our bag rack 3.0s. So it's kind of a complete system that he got from us, the splitter, the rack, and the bags. The other reason it's stopping here, we also bought an SF9 TR. So the 9 TR is a 9 horsepower Honda motor, self-propelled vertical splitter from SplitForce, but this one doesn't have the big 16 or the 20-foot conveyor off the front. This one has a little drop over 6-foot conveyor on it. It should output right around like 4 to 5 feet, so really nice for filling like our shorter bags, an IBC tote, a dump trailer, you know, something along those lines. But compact enough that you could still put it in, you know, under the garage, the porch, in the barn, whatever, not take up a whole bunch of space. So it's going to be really nice to go over there, see that machine before it ends up in the customer's hands in Michigan. So we'll get the pallet loaded, the bag rack loaded, get hooked up to the gooseneck trailer here with the Chevy, and we'll go over and meet the hotshot driver. So stay tuned. All right, so we have our pallet of log lift firewood bags loaded up from NNZ, heading out to the customer in Michigan, as well as one of our bag rack 3.0 systems. And again, the customer was looking for a one-stop shop, which we are, because we offer everything from horizontal splitters to the bigger commercial splitters to the vertical splitters to full-blown firewood processors, whether it's a bar saw or a circle saw. So we try to have a little bit of something for everybody. The next piece that should be coming in here within like a week or two, because it's already overdue a little bit, is a new set of our pallet rotating forks. We already have a couple of those that are pre-sold, but still room for new customers on those, or new orders, I should say. If you jump over to our website, which is shaverequipment.com, you'll go to the firewood bag section right on the front page, and then you will see the log lift, the power lift, and the mini log lift, which holds a 1/6 of a cord. And then the next item down the list is our bag rack 3.0 system. All of the firewood bags are available in 4 different quantities. There's always like your entry level sample order quantity, like the power lift and the log lift, I think are 12 count. And the mini log lift, the 1/6 of a cord, I got it right that time, are a pack of 18. The first couple quantities always ship in a FedEx box. So it's a nice 24 by 24 box. So you don't have to be home with something with pallet forks to unload like a freight truck. It just goes like regular FedEx and shows up on your doorstep. So it's pretty easy. One-stop shop kind of thing. So. But yeah, let's get some straps thrown over these, and we'll get them tied down and go meet that hotshot truck. last night I was looking, I knew I had a second rack going out like I mentioned in the video yesterday, and it was also going to Michigan. I had Wisconsin in my brain for some reason. They're 84 miles away from each other, so that's where we're gonna send it. So that's our 1320, 2 bag racks, 1 pallet of bags, and there's the new SF9 with the side output conveyor. It's gonna go over on my trailer, and then we'll wrap this one up back at the wood yard. All right, so we went over to the shop for 6 a.m. this morning. It's been a long day, but finally got the SF9 TR with the side conveyor back here at the wood lot. So I'm gonna grab the camera, do a quick walk around here on the trailer, and then we'll get it staged over with the rest of the splitters and just kind of do a this and that and a comparison, and we'll go from there. All right, so this is a self-propelled unit, hydraulic steering, posi traction drive in the rear. This does have the 270 Honda manual start on it, no electric start on this one. Big oil tank, the extra hoses here come up and over, and that's our drive for the attached conveyor. Our drive levers, steer levers go from the other side. Again, big, thick bottom plate here for where all the wood goes. Nice reinforcements underneath it. Again, posi drive, hydraulic drive. That's the foot pedal for the vertical splitter operation. It's always fun bringing these 9 TRs off the trailer because literally I get about half of the tire on the ramp coming down. So it's always a little sketchy, but luckily haven't had any issues. Like all the different splitters that we bring in automatically add the log lift. It is an option, but we do throw it on, and then we do the Teflon pads. That's the white pads there that you can see inside the conveyor. It just kind of helps quiet down some of the noise. Nice off-road tires, give a good bite, and that's the operating platform for driving it. Well, I wanted to show you the SF9 TR with the side conveyor in comparison to our upgraded 1116, which is a 1316 because we did the bigger motor with the bigger stator for the auxiliary electric oil cooler for the whole hydraulic system. And as you can see, everything vertical mass, the thick table, the log lift, this drive setup on the levers is all the same from one unit to the next, even to the regular SF9, which is just a towable unit with a 2-inch ball, not self-propelled. Again, everything from like this piece forward is identical on all of the units. It's just a matter of what chassis we put underneath them. This one's a little longer, a little wider to, you know, take up the conveyor that's like that. And then this one has a little bit more of a side table to the left because there's no conveyor there, and that goes laterally back but coming off the side. So I'm going to move the camera into position. We've got some nasty stuff. It looks like, you know, red oak, so we'll work through this. As you can see, it does reach into the IBC tote. And again, move the camera and we'll make some little pieces out of big pieces with our new toy. right, so everything works out. The last couple pieces there, they're really just too short for the bundle wrapper, so I just kind of split them, put them aside. We'll burn those in our own fireplace down the house. So, but as you can see, it still kind of feeds into the tote. And again, I can take, you know, some of the chain out of this and really bring that up a little bit higher. The nice heavy duty crossbars in here will get the wood, you know, up and away. So we're gonna probably offer this one right around like a 15.5 number. That would be a demo discounted price from up at the Vermont show that just happened last weekend. So again, I'll put on the screen here a full quote right up on it so you can see the discounts that will apply, you know, for the demo piece here. Again, the side conveyor is an option. And before everybody gets up in arms on the Axis or the Wolf Ridge or Brute Force's new one coming out, we actually had a unit like this in Boonville, New York last year. So that was 2023. Before everybody else started rolling out with them, we already had the little side conveyor here going on the SplitForce stuff back then. But again, if we can earn your business with the sales quote, the phone number is 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. And you can always email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And for more information, you can jump over to the website, which is shaverequipment.com. You can see all the stats and the specs and different things over there on these SplitForce units. This one is available for purchase. The SF1316, the other gray one in the background, is mine. I do plan on keeping that through this season just for doing some demo stuff and things. And we have some charity work that we're going to do over at a veterans organization to help split up some firewood over there at Patriots Cove. So definitely need that for doing the work over there. So again, if we can earn your business, give me a phone call, shoot me an email, and do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.